It's a squirrel getting chased by a couple birds. Like, birds. These two birds won't leave it alone. I don't know what's going on. Hopefully we'll find out. There's one of the birds up there. Our tree in the backyard. Dogs barking like crazy. I can't find the squirrel no more. See, there's the squirrel. Dogs barking like crazy. Don't know what's going on. Oh, and subscribe me if you can. Please. Dumb birds. Hope the squirrel's okay. The dogs aren't barking no more. The birds must have given it up or something. Probably jumped to that tree. Who knows? Oh, it's still up in that tree. Oh, subscribe me if you can. I'm Audra Fisher. It's my name. And leave comments if you want. Bro fist.